The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope everyone had a great night. Ready to rock the markets. Rock the markets all night long. Missing my chat. Where is my chat? It's here somewhere. There she blows. Hey, Robin. Good morning, JC. JC, how's Florida? Looks like you escaped a winter storm by going down there. Let's take a look at the. Ooh, we're starting to dump here. I kind of like that setup actually. This up, we've been moving up here on NQ, down, came up, and this bounced down. Let's take that trade. Maybe if it breaks, then we'll look at what the markets did overnight. Morning, Sorum. How are you? Hey, Mr. G, how are you doing? Yeah, we're not going to take that trade. Let's just take a gander at the markets. You can see I've been coming down, and now we're boosted up. Just recently hit high a day on SES. 40, 20, 75 are low. 39.95.50. So about about 25-point range. NQ low 0.63. High 163. Hey, that's easy math. That's 100 points. Copper. About 160 ticks. That's a pretty big range for copper. Gold. Whoa, look what gold's done since I moved the thing. Wow. Big boom up. 15 points in range. Ultra bond overnight. About a little less than a point of range. Still trying to head up. Recently hit highs, pulled back. Natural gas. Back up above 2, but fell below 2 for the first time in this asset's history. Now it's trying to bounce. There's a little over 100 ticks of range. And last but not least, crude oil, which fell below 75 for a tad bit. About a point and a half in range. Good morning, Ahmed. So that's where we sit and stand. We'll be trading NQ and UV today. I should have taken that short. There we go. ATR's a little bit above 5. Gonna watch that. Well, I'm just gonna switch right over to micros now. Getting kind of whippy. I don't know. I kind of expect a choppy morning because we have FOMC meeting minutes later today, but we'll see. Okay, we're ready to rock. I wanna rock, rock. I wanna rock. Watching the Ultra Bond, the 1 minute and 5 minute. Watching NQ, of course. Interesting wick there on a green candle. So watching here, waiting for our first opportunity. Seeing where we're gonna go today. It's like Ultra Bond is coming down here on the 5. Good question. My eggs have come down a huge amount. Uh, I was my eggs were like 35 cents each at Walmart. Now they're down to like 24 cents each. I think that's what it was. I was paying like 14 something for 36 eggs, and now it's down to 8.84 for 36. And then I buy chicken leg quarters in a 10-pound bag for $6.90. So the chicken, I think the chicken is definitely cheaper than the egg. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? NQ coming down. Thought about taking it all, but I don't like taking a short off a green candle. But it would have worked. And here comes UV. Up, down. Hello, freighter. Kind of watching. Waiting for our first opportunity. And Ultra Bond. Ultra bond touching its bands down there. Why it's got to do that in public, I don't know. Morning, Avi. Yep, there's a bearish engulfing on NQ. Hanging around those bands though. For me, it's about 24 cents an egg, I believe, right now, for the ones I'm buying. Yeah, 24.5 cents is what the one for the ones I buy. Depending on the size of the container you buy in, it can be as much as 28 cents, and that's for just the regular old eggs. If you want like Eggland or any of those are still up at like 45 cents an egg, 50 cents an egg. Pulling down here, I don't like engulfing candles that are into the band, so that's why I didn't take this. Excuse me a second. So we are still pushing down. This would have worked, yeah, well, I mean, for a few points. Our ATR is above 5. I don't know. They come from Walmart. They're Walmart eggs. I have no idea. I mean, eventually, when I actually have more money, I would love to get, cage-free eggs that are fed, bugs and stuff instead of grains. I want to get away from everything that's grain fed. Some back up here on the Ultra Bond. My goal is also to be able to move the grass-fed, grass-finished beef. But that stuff's expensive. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. If you're expected to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you. Looking like it wants to continue to come down here. And then again, maybe not. For those of you unaware, I've started a new video series about the Elite Trader Funding Fast Track 100K Challenge. I posted days number 1 and 2 last night. Took YouTube like 2 hours to process the video. I'm not sure what was up with that. I'd love if you went and checked that out if you haven't yet. There's the link. Nightbot's supposed to be posting the link, but Nightbot seems like it's still asleep. $10 to make $6,000 is the goal of the fast track. You only have 10 days to do it. Currently a little bit behind the 8 ball on that. We blew a tire. We're in the pits on the fast track. Why am I not taking that bullish engulfing candle back up? That's a good question. I just don't like how extended it was to the upside. We'll see. Gee, yeah. Hope it's not multiple winners. They got to split it. This egg thing was killing me. I mean, I'm glad it's come back down because I eat, you know. Let's see, 6 times 30. That's another 1242. I eat about 3.5 to 4 dozen a week. And Q popping up above its yeah, EMA there. But it's established a downtrend over the last 15 or so minutes, so we're not taking that long there. I'm gonna wait to see if it establishes. Ultra Bond. Gonna try and prove me wrong here. Let's see if it does. I probably should have taken that as a nice bounce off the 100. Ultra Bond Mocha does open in 3 minutes though, so we'll wait until after. Ooh, strong move there on NQ, so I should have taken that. But I really didn't like it. Like I said, we had established this move down. Came up, kind of a big wick there at the top, showing that there was some pressure coming back down, but ended up buyers are coming in. So, Nightbot's cheating on me, huh, Freighter? I hate that. Anyway, on that video series, I will be doing an update every day. Hopefully it won't take 2 hours every day to process. Oh, the Ultra Bond, that was a missed opportunity. Should have taken that. There shall be more. Shall be more, shall be more. Yep. And Q coming right back down though. See that? See. That's why I was. I mean, I could have got a quick 7 points, but there's the ultra bond market open, and it's not really doing much. There's Nightbot talking about blue sky. Speaking of blue sky, next Thursday, March 2nd, at 11 a.m. Eastern, I believe, is going to be it. We will be doing a live interview with Josh from Blue Sky. I'm not sure exactly his position there. He seems to be maybe the head honcho. Not sure exactly. I got to ask him what his position is. Anyway, we're doing a live interview talking about him, his trading, his involvement with Blue Sky, about prop firms, and a myriad of other subjects maybe. Actually got to start like writing questions for that. But so I hope you'll join us. Basically, it's just going to be, at the end of the stream, normally we end at 11 Eastern. We're just going to continue on, move right to the interview. Doing a live interview means I don't need to do a whole bunch of editing. Hopefully, be the first in of a series of interviews. I'm gonna start reaching out to some other people in the industry, do some other interviews as well. So neither the asset that we're watching is doing much here. Another pop back up there, and that's probably that was a signal probably for go. I just don't like, we're kind of squeezy here, not really a lot. Well, you can find those types of stats on both Earn to Trade and You Profit. Earn to Trade, if you look in their website, um, at the bottom, it says in 2022, 19.42% of candidates have passed the Trader Career Path or Gauntlet Mini examinations. This percentage is based on accounts passed against new accounts. And on UProfit, I'm not sure why UProfit has better stats. They have at the bottom of theirs. I hate their website. But anyway, 24.33% of candidates passed the UProfit Trader Evaluation Program during the year 2022. This percentage is based on users that entered UProfit Trader Evaluation Program successfully completed the profit target within the risk parameter rules in order to obtain the UProfit Live account during this period. And that's about what I've seen from stats. Earn a Trade used to put out monthly stats. Now they just do it yearly. I think the prior year was 18 point something percent. Definitely thankful for the prop firm model, or else I would not be here. Well, Fredo, they probably have a better, maybe a better, stats because, since the simulation isn't real money, the evaluation isn't real money, people can, YOLO without, worrying about it. Okay, Treasury and NASDAQ popping down here all of a sudden. Ultra bond NASDAQ, not sure why I said Treasury. That was odd. Both of them are kind of running the same, I mean, not just in the last few minutes, kind of popping up and down at the same time here. So bearish engulfing on NQ. There's Nightbot with the thing about the challenge. Took him long enough. Ultravon, then crossing the 20. Yeah, I realized that. Where's my Tradovate window? Too many windows. Not enough doors. Approaching 8:30. No news today. There's a red book, but that doesn't ever move the market. No news into the FOMC meeting minutes. And we won't be streaming then. That's like at 2 Eastern. Morning, John. Here I come down again. Here we go, loop the loop. Here we go, loop the lie. Need my beats. See the 100 kind of, the NQ kind of bouncing on the 100. Ultra Bond playing with the ZMA. Right there in public, in front of everybody. Yeah, I need to change the phrasing of that Nightbot about Discord. We launched like 6 months ago. We're breaking the 100 on NQ. We're trying. Hugging that band. Should have taken bearish engulfing there. But I didn't. Ultra Bond also trying to do its thing. Do what it wants to do. Whoa, 47 people here? Hello, everybody. Where did it come from all of a sudden? Where did you come from? Where did you go? If anyone's new, welcome, welcome. Oh, wow, that was weird. We bumped up to 47 and immediately fell back down. I don't know. Just killed my average view duration. It's like a little... Yes, you were first today, Robin. And I appreciate that. I did not take the break of the 100, and it's still coming down. I wonder if this is going to be a big move down. Ultra Bond is a nice solid move. I see it bounced on that 100 before, so I need to see that 100 break on the Ultra Bond. I got my Tradovate window ready. I got my NinjaTrader window ready. I should have taken that on a Q. Mad that I did not. What is our ATR? I can't see it. Let's look. Still 5.5. Ultra Bond. see it there either. 4. See what bouncing in there and again on the 100. Oh yeah. Anybody new? Welcome, or welcome everybody really. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome. Most comments. I used to say well, insults welcome too, but some people took that one too much to heart. Ultrabond's sitting right there on the 100, just kind of thumbing its nose at me. Watching it on the 1 here. Broke the 100 on the 1. Maybe I should start watching the 1 here. Kind of. Got to be a little bit more aggressive on this fast track. We need like $850 a day on the fast track now. Yep, should have. There we go. It's moving loud. Yep, nice move down there. So, eh, eh. On this screen, I watched the NQ, the micro NQ, and the ES. Everything screamed for me to take that, and I should have. Screamed. I mean, it was loud. Where's everybody coming from? I see big numbers, 48 people here. Big numbers, no whammies. Morning, Matt. Did you bring like 40 of your closest friends? Hey, Hassan. How's it been going? I haven't seen you last couple days. Not here or the Discord. Good morning, Glitch. Yeah, I don't remember seeing you yesterday, but maybe that's just my feeble mind going crazy. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, we need to get out of that work and stuff. NQ popping back up, so it was a quick drop. And now we're popping. I understand, putting work ahead of the ox. No. So first half hour in, no trades yet. Couple of missed opportunities, but you won't get them all. It's not Pokemon, you're not going to catch them all. No, I actually know nothing about Pokemon. I've never watched Pokemon. I don't think I've ever played Pokemon. Not the card game, not the video games. Oops. Ouch. Yeah, copper, copper has a high tick value, so it can get dicey quick. There is a micro copper. I believe so. Let me take a look. It's been a while since I looked at it. Yep, MHG. It seems. I mean, you can see it's got some volume to it. These aren't. Oh wait, that's an hour candle. Let's look at that. A minute. Yeah, it doesn't have as much volume as the regular contract. I thought it did, but it does not. Does not look good. That looks pretty spotty. Doesn't look like there's enough volume on it. Let's see, daily volume here when it loads. Why is it not loading? Oh, that's weird. There we go. Huh. Oh, there. That's why it wasn't loading. It's pretty new. They came out with it last year or last April, so it's still pretty new. Daily volume. Yesterday's volume was 10,000, almost 11,000 compared to, I don't know what copper's is. Let's look. Regular copper looks like it's 124,000, so like only 1/12 the volume on it. So probably not viable. It looked like it was gaining some traction when I looked at it in the past, but now it's kind of dead. It's kind of hanging here. Market's not really moving a lot, which I was kind of afraid of with this being FOMC meeting minutes day. Ultra bonds still trying to push down. So yeah. NQ breaking the 100 here again. Where's my NQ chart? Taking a short here. I just need to find my software. So there we go. There you can see my chart. And I need to find my chart. I lost it. There it is. And we'll put our stop. What's our ATR? 6? Stop at 7.5. I'll put it like at 7. That looks like a bounce. Maybe not. In at 124.5. Of course, I bottom ticked it. I'm gonna get out quick if this doesn't go my way. Just because it's, I don't know. Might be trying to set in a higher low. There, we got below the 100 here, came down to the bands, bounced back up, coming back down. So this could go either way. There we go. Come on, give me a little push down. I'll take just a little bit. There we go. Not seeing they want to go further than this right now, though. Using my entry point as support. Don't like to. So if it gets back above that 100 and sustains, we'll probably get out. Trying to see what the Ultra Bond's doing there. Okay. I don't like that candle. That last candle. Big bottom wick, small body. Yep, out. So that didn't work out well. Stupid trade, I guess. Yep, top tick me there. Pack down. How nice. How nice. How now, brown cow? So wait for it to find some direction here. I'm more mad at myself that I missed this opportunity on the Ultra Bond. Watching the 1 minute and the 5. And the hourly. Oh, that's a 5 minute as well. Does the hourly look like? Hourly is a bearish engulfing. Interesting. 30 minute. 15. All these would have been good signals. Morning, Ace. Yep, Matt is a great guy. Bouncing on the Ultra Bond. Ace is someplace in the Great Rocky Mountains, running from cougars. We don't know which kind. Yep, move down here on NQ again. Yeah, I was right on that short. I guess I just didn't give it enough room. I was in at, what was I in at? 124 out at 130. It went up as high as oh my goodness, are you kidding me? It literally did top tick me and back down. Morning, John. So you still go out running when it's snowy and blowy, Ace? I like to sit by a window and watch it snow, not go out in it. Just struggling here around 12, 125. Can't get beneath it much. ES sitting around 40.11. Remember, we had that big drop yesterday. We have FOMC meeting minutes today, so we might just kind of chop today. Yesterday, we saw the ES drop like 74 points. We saw the NQ drop like 200 and some points, over 200 points. Right now, kind of a slow morning. Yesterday morning, we started off really well. Bunch of trades within the first half an hour today. So one trade for a loss. NQ trying to pop back up, but this is ugliness. I mean, we try to be all about chart body positivity here, but this is gotta call a spade a spade. That's set and board right now. Entertain me. I had my Blue Sky account was positive yesterday, John. My Fast Track account was negative. The P&L you see up at the top is for the Blue Sky. Yes, John. I'm gonna be trading the Fast Track, not just on stream. The Ultrabot needs to do something because I need to get action on that. Little less talk and a lot more action. I need to average about 850 bucks a day for the next 8 days. This Fast Track series, it's only 2 videos so far, but it's like 2 of my best performing videos. I need to maybe do more series in the future. And Q trying to pop up here, but this is just choppy deluxe. Sounds like a fast food sandwich. I like 2 choppy deluxe with cheese. Probably not, John. Probably not gonna. I mean, I'm not gonna trade it on the minute of the news, but I mean, if I see an opportunity after the news, then I might. Now, the last day for the Fast Track, assuming I haven't blown the account or passed it, is non-farm payroll Friday, March 3rd. So there, if I need a YOLO, I can try a YOLO on non-farm payrolls. But yeah, it's too early in the game to do a YOLO. Good morning, John Burrell. Now we're moving up. But you can see, I'm not one to draw trend lines. I'm not a trend line guy. This has been making lower highs. Yeah, that's why I bought it, and then I decided, hey, I can do a video series out of it. Because I also have a 50K with ETF as well, so I got the 3 resets. You know what? I should switch over to that and should YOLO that since I have a 3 resets to use. Actually, I don't like meeting minutes. The meeting minutes end up going both directions real quick. Okay, into the bands here on NQ and ES. That's a big move. Ace says now ready for the market to do something and see a big boost up there. There's Ace getting his 2 points probably. ES did give me a bullish engulfing there that I should have maybe looked at. Ultra Bond doing something. Ultra Bond also popping back up. Good morning, Andrew. How you doing? Yeah, but how much money is that, Hassan? Okay. Oh, right back down. Big got above that third band there on Nasdaq and just dropped like a boulder. Meteorite, maybe like a meteorite in Texas. Ace, did you get your? Okay, got a point. Cool. Well, point's better than no point. My wisdom for the day. Come to me for more knowledgeable nuggets. Stayed above the 20 there on the NQ. Bounced off the 100 and the 20. Ultra Bond yelling at me. Ultra Bond's in a sandwich between the 20 and the 100. Another touch of the 100, I mean, of the 20. So we are just under 2 minutes to the top of the hour. Energy's market's open. Ultra Bond still not sure what it wants to do. NQ looking like it wants to come down. Honestly, I should have entered off that big wick that broke through the 3. But alas, I did not. Still playing between the 100 and the 20 on NQ. As is the Ultra Bond. All right, John, before I forgot to ask how your trading's going. Popping back up. Excellent, John. Glad to hear that. Okay, dip down. I should have taken that trigger back up. I didn't. Let's see where it goes. Choppiness throws me off and I start missing my cues. Ouch. Are you able to pinpoint where the struggle's at, John? You know what the problem is on the algo. Ultra bond. Ah, yeah, kind of like mine does that as well. It wants to take every pullback and then gets blown up. Up, down, up, down. You can see that we've struggled here to get through 23-ish area and then 19-ish, 18-ish area. Again, it's kind of bouncing on that 100. Doop, 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 doop. Ooh, big move there. 8.5. Ultra Bond yelling at me as well. It's Ultra Bond still dancing. It's dancing on its own. We're short. That was probably a mistake. Big candle. Maybe that wasn't a mistake. Pushing down. Still struggling at that 23 mark. Bouncing. Bouncing. Hit the band and bounced. Ultra Bond. It's still bouncing there. Yeah, this trade's not looking good either. Probably should have grabbed a quick win there. Or a few bucks. We'll see. The 20 EMA is sitting at 12,129. Let's see if it pops back. Oop, right there. It's trying to pop back above. Before it bounce off of it. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna take a loss. Yep. Stopped out. Not a good warning. Not a good warning at all. Down 230. So we'll try and turn that around. We got down over 200 yesterday and turned it around. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Should have took the quick win there. Didn't, and now each time it comes up, wicks me out, and then comes back down. ATR is still only 5, so that's showing it's a choppy morning. But this time it's heading up. So I took the break of the 100, and I guess I shouldn't have done that. It tried several times, finally broke, went down, and then bounced right back up. Definitely rangy here. It's a rangy mutt. Ultra Bond's really not giving me a move either. Haven't taken any trades on the fast track this morning. Oh yeah, I forgot to update the number of losses. Nope. 0 for 3 this morning. That's okay. We're about 13 minutes till the bell. Hopefully we get some volatility. I say it could be a choppy morning, with today being FOMC meeting minutes. Getting a bullish engulfing now here on NQ. I don't know though. Went away. I just don't know if I should trust anything right now. Our range is about 12,118 up to 12,139. We're a little higher, 43 if you want to count this back here. Nope, see, right back down. Gold having an interesting day. Up, down, having a nice bearish engulfing. Here's the Ultra Bond on a 15-minute chart. Trying to bounce up. Copper about mid-range. Look at natural gas finally getting some oomph to it. Natural gas all-time lows earlier today. Again. Just trying to come back down, but we're just chopped. I might just sit on my hands until the bell. I don't really like any of this price action right now. Nothing is exciting me. Natural gas. That would have excited me. Ooh, look at Bitcoin dipping under 24. Everything's kind of depressed. Sure, there's any news that I wasn't catching. Not that I see. The Wingstop stock soars 7% pre-market after earnings beat. People are buying the wings. If I had wings, I'll fly. Let me contemplate. Guts in the cut, and I see my homie Nate. See NQ still dancing on his 100. Probably not dancing to my singing. Those that didn't recognize that song, that was Nate Dogg and Warren G. Regulate. One of my all-time favorite songs. Let's try it again. Bouncing between the 20 and the 100. There's a break. Ooh, big break. Ultra Fund. Ultra Fund also coming down. There's still choppiness. I did get 2 signals in a row there, so I could have took the chance, but didn't want to. And it's only going 3 points. Oh, oops. Guys got to tell me when I accidentally leave that NinjaTrader window up and I'm not in a trade. I know it's annoying to block the screen, but I forget it's there sometimes. Boring morning, boring morning. I could have slept in. Y'all could have slept in. Nothing doing nothing right now. Just chopping. Although crude market open. I totally forgot about poor crude. I kind of forgotten about it since it no longer sits beside ES. But boom at the open. Boom, boom, boom. Big boom. About 40, 45 ticks. It's still nowhere near high day. Well, about 30 ticks away. 30 ticks away. See, the Alter bond really has not woken up this morning. Usually after the market opens, you see regular candles, but you're seeing like really just crap candles here, big gaps here on the one. Here's NQ trying to convince me it wants to come down again. "13 minutes to the bell." I forgot you can move windows. That's nice. I like that. Yeah, crude is heading upwards. High day was, or high glowback 76.55. So I'm not sure why I have the Ultra Bond on two different. Now, the other thing I didn't plan on is the fact that Ultra Bond rolls tomorrow. So I'm doing this through a roll as well, this challenge. Rolling, rolling, rolling. And Q still trying to convince me it wants to come down. But I'm not having any of it. Balderdash, I say. Balderdash. I'm not sure why I say that. Ooh, been nice signals there on silver. I haven't taken trade in silver for probably a year. Silver and gold. Yeah, speaking of silver and gold, no RJ. No, he doesn't trade silver and gold, but he always points out Burl Ives when I say silver and gold. He's a big Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer fan, as am I. Ultra Bond. It's kind of touching its EMA here. Trying to push up. 10 minutes till the bell. I'm just sitting here babbling. No one's really talking, so I'm just babbling about everything, including Burl Ives. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Micro silver? What's the SAL? Pretty sure Blue Sky allows it as well. Blue Sky has the hugest amount of things allowed that I've ever seen. They allow milk, and I looked it up, and milk is like 2 contracts traded a month or something like that. Yep. Blue Sky's contracts, they allow like everything. Gold, copper, that one I can't pronounce, micro gold, micro copper, mini silver, mini gold, SIL, regular silver, Eurex, ICE, USRP, MGE. I have no idea what MGE even is. Everything from NYMEX, everything on the small exchange, COMEX, everything CSE, even cash settled cheese, which also gets like one contract a month. I was so upset that when cheese wasn't a viable thing to trade. CFE, you can trade the VIX. Yeah, cheese unfortunately does not really have any following. Cheese is my favorite thing of all time, so it made me sad. See, we do see Ultra Bond trying to dance up here again. But yeah, if we take a quick gander at cheese, here's that CSC. I guess there's block cheese too. It's CSC. I guess it has well. This is a daily chart, and yesterday it had a 54 contracts traded. Some days it has 0. Well, yeah, cash settled cheese, and I don't know what block cheese is. Let's take a look at block cheese. Block cheese has even less volume. All it is dashes on a daily. There it at 5. Most days it is nothing. Hey, I loved government cheese when I was a kid. Yeah, so here's I mean, I had no idea this was going to head up. I guess I could have played this bounce. It's been a nice move up here on the Ultra Bond. NQ is still fiddling around here. Look at this 1 minute on the Ultra Bond, and it's still, there's nothing here that told me that it should have went long here. Except for maybe this dip, but I mean, that was a bearish engulfing. This could have been, I guess that could have been a trigger there. But Ultra Bond just seems kind of deadish today. Alright, have a great day, Hassan. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Or tonight on the Discord. Thank you. Trying to pop up here a bit. We are 6 minutes till we hear the ring-a-ding of the ding-a-ling. So yeah, missed opportunity here, though. I mean, probably shouldn't say missed opportunity, although it did this up-down kind of up move. I don't know. That could have been a trigger, though. It would have been a very weak trigger. And we could have got a win out of it, though, obviously. Looks like NQ's trying to push up. Look at that big wick. I did say wick. Ultra Bond. Back down here on NQ. Coming back down, but this has just been an ugly range. We were home on the range. Home on the range. Continues to suddenly move up. We having fun yet? As we head to the bell, has anyone taken any trades yet this morning? No one said anything. Well, I know Ace took a trade. And Hassan had traded. Hey, good morning, Crypticon. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And Q. Again hits that same area of resistance. 12,118. Excellent. Great job, John. Crypticon, nothing until this afternoon. FOMC meeting minutes. 2 Eastern, 1 Central. Excellent, Crypt. Yep, no news this morning, so there's no timer up at the top. We do have a pretty good gaggle of news, I think, tomorrow. I know we have unemployment. That's right, I say gaggle. Oh yeah, we have U.S. GDP quarter over quarter, and U.S. GDP deflator, whatever the heck that is. Chicago National Activity Index, and then natural gas and crude oil inventories tomorrow. So lots going on tomorrow. I'll have to load that into the timer. Morning, Hafiz. How's it going? My binarial beat just ran out. Let's do flow state. Now less than 1 minute till the bell. Now less than 15 seconds till the bell, actually. 10 seconds. It's like New Year's Eve. Ding, ding, ding. I already dinged. Sorry. Now ding, 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 ding. Popping up just a tad. Trying to establish back above 100. We want to get out of this. Ooh, big whip down. Now we're moving down. It's trying to do what Burl wants. Oh, nope, back to Doji. Totally. Ooh, big burst up. Up, down, left, right, AB start. Surviving is good, Heavies. I usually don't like to have dead people in my chat. So big 16 points, 17 points rising up. ES up 2.25. Band to band here. right back down. Wow. They're going to change the color of those yellows to purples. I don't like the bright yellow. Anyway. So up and then down. Gained it all, lost it all. Now trying to gain again. AC Ultra Bond heading up nicely. We're heading long. I mean, right now it's broke the range to the top side, though it's breaking the bands as well. Up to 12,147, now down. I want to contact support on that Crypticon, make sure everything's okay. Once again, speaking of Blue Sky, we will be interviewing Josh from Blue Sky live next Thursday, March 2nd. Morning, Speed Racer. Ooh. And down, then let's see. Now we're falling. Not afraid of falling, and I can't get off the ground. Ooh, Mr. Bullish engulfing there on the 1 minute chart on the Ultra Bond. I should have set alerts for that. But a nice 4 ticker. My mistake. I'll work on that tonight. NQ continuing to rise up. High day on NQ is 12,163. We're about 13 points away. High day on ESES is not showing the same strength. Not nearly as well. Pulling back a little bit now. Now it's trying to come down. Tried to get above 53 a couple of times. Hit that third band like 3 different times, and now it's fallen. Now we're not afraid of it. Our ATR is falling up to 9. Still not even above 10, though. Which we normally see about this time. Like we always see about this time. Cat's yelling at me to pet him. ES falling fast. Falling faster than NQ here. Maybe Burrell's finally getting his wish. Ultra Bond also pulling back. No, it's not. Sorry, looked at the wrong chart. Ultra Bond kind of level. We're whippy here. This is a 10-point candle. We're short. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Bad day. Gonna be a bad day. That's gonna stop me. Well, maybe not. Come on down. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Bouncing on the 200. You don't see the 200 on my chart, but I actually have it. Well, I have it there on the Ninja chart still. It's a remnant that I haven't taken off. Looks like it bounced perfectly there and gonna nail me. Dang, not a good day, and we might just stop trading the blue sky today. Oh man, frustrated. 79. So 19, 294, 19, 304, 314, 313. So we're down 313 on the day. It's a good day. Nothing wants to go right today. I just got to follow my plan that has shown that it's worked. It's just probably did not give it as much room based on ATR. Probably should be at the higher ATR now. Higher loss. Higher, whatever it is I'm trying to say. Yeah, I was right. I just didn't. It came back up. So I was in at 126, stopped that at 134. It got up to 141 with the 12-point stop. Yeah, I still would have stopped out. Ultravon continuing to move up. Nah, I missed that move. Oh, now here comes NQ back up. Every time I think I got this, I don't. I should have never took the short there. That was my stupidity. There's something down, up, down move. Big wick. It looked good. Should have taken it right off the bearish engulfing when it was bouncing off the bands. Two steps forward and two steps back. Come together, 'cause opposites attract. So back up to 53, breaking through 53 up to 55. High of the day, 63. Apologize for letting my frustration show there. I normally don't do that, and I'm trying so hard not to let those come through. We're trying for positivity here on the channel. The negativity should be shut out. Oh, there, just touched the high Globex 63. Let's see if it double tops here. So far, it's rejecting off of it. Big move down after touching it. I'm not touching you. Trying again. Ultra Bond's on me a bullish engulfing on the 1 minute. But yeah, I don't like where it's at. Nope, no luck there. Tracking down again on NQ. ES doing the same. ES did not get up to its high day. High day on ES 4020. It's about 6 points off of there. To whoever the new subscriber is, welcome. Thank you. See the number went up. Feel free to say hello in the chat. I don't think it told me who it is. Oh, Jay. Hello, Jay. Welcome. See, we're kind of sideways here. No. Going for a second burst. New high of day. Hit 68. 168, sorry. See, Ultra Bond pulling back just a tad. Seems a little extended to the upside. Welcome, Jay. Glad to have you. Thanks for joining the herd. Streamlabs used to play a sound when I got a new subscriber, and now it doesn't. I gotta figure out why. Up to 170 here. ES sitting at 134. I'm sorry. Ultra Bond sitting at 130, You can see here it made nice new high day. Danced here. This is the 15-minute chart. It's a nice move up that I got nothing of. AG. Still rising up here in NQ. Ultra Bond's kind of leveled. Yeah, it seems to be a humdinger of a storm. Humdinger. That's a bullish engulfing on the NASDAQ. Meanwhile, Ultra Bond decided to continue up. I may need to stop looking at certain indicators that aren't giving me a good read. So if I had jumped in there, 25 up to 29, could have got 4 ticks. ATR still small on the Ultra Bond. Not a great day here to trade. ES and a bullish engulfing there. We'll watch it and see what it does. That's interesting. Turn that back off. Yeah, there's a nice move on ES. Q going sideways here. Ultra Bond continues to laugh at me. And Q pulling back down to 150. So off of that bullish engulfing that I doubted, it's gone up 7 ticks. Someone smack me, please. See, 2 different bullish engulfings here. And by the way, some of these technically, by the technical term, are not bullish engulfings, are not engulfing candles, but the way they work, I like them, even if they're not by technical. So now our ATR is only 2 here. Is that stuck? I think there should be more, but okay. So my ATR is not working. Anyway, this would have gave me 6 ticks, and then this one here would have given me 6 ticks. That would have been 12 ticks. So over 36 ticks, but with 3 contracts. No. Yeah, 18 ticks. 18 to 36. Right here, the last, 20 minutes I could have got over 2K. But I didn't take them. Tomorrow I take them all. I'm going to start ignoring this. Why did I hesitate? So we look at this indicator. Look how far above. Usually when this yellow line hits above the 70 line, like I always said, I don't really believe in overbought and oversold. But usually when this yellow line, which is the moving average of the Bollinger Bands around this RSI, hits this above here, we're coming down. And that's not happening right now. I mean, eventually I think this needs to crash. But I'm not going to try and pick the short, but it kept me from entering the long. And I could have got boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. And you can see here, even on the 5-minute, we're overextended on that by that metric. So, Ooh, NQ. I like this down, up, down move here. We are just a little bit above the 100. $20 seconds on this particular candle. Starts off down, only by a point. Looking for it to break that 100. It's struggling a bit. There's the break of the 100. Oh no, it's a touch of the 100. Touched it there. Nope, still no break. This is a 5-point candle. And retreating again. That's why I was cautious. Making another run for the border. We have uptrending bands there trying to constrict. Now we get a strong candle down, so it's a 10-point candle. Pulling back though. Oh, right back to that 100. I hit the 200 again. I need to. Nope, that's not the 200. Oops. It's hanging right on that 100. Bouncy, bouncy. Trying a short. Oh. Ah. Didn't. Yeah. Right into that band. Backing out of that. 3-point loss. Stupid play. Took it into the band. Should have taken a quick $30. At least I got out before it really bounced up. It is trying to bend that band. Maybe I should have stayed in. Yep, there we go. Rumble, grumble, rumble. Yep, heading back down in my direction. Got out too quickly. Trying again. Out. Took a small win there just because I need a win today. And it's been struggling in this 23 area. Took it off that bearish engulfing. It's probably I probably should have stuck with it. Yeah, I should have stuck with it. But I just needed a win, and I didn't want it to come back on me. That's what happens when you start getting skittish after a bunch of losses in a row. As you can see, pushing down, I could have got way more out of that. Did not follow the plan because of my skittishness. I was in on that one at 127. And look at that. It would have given me my 15 points. Oh, God. It's a nice little setup. I should have got out on this one when I entered here. And I should have got, took the small win there and then came for the bigger win there once these bands started bending back. Ultra Bond still kind of hanging up there. Pulled back a little bit. Ultra Bond trying to send me a bullish engulfing on that 5. Don't know if I want to trust that. Of course, last time I said that, I regretted it. Never. Good luck on that, bro. Yep, heading down, breaking through 12,100. Just totally blew that trade. I mean, obviously, I got a win out of it. It was a 2-point win, and obviously I would have been shooting for 15, would have easily gotten it. Just did not let the trade work for me. NQ hit 12,095 ES, got down to 4,005 half. Still trying to push down. Yep. Dropping fast. Might be finally seeing a pullback here on the Ultra Bond. Got up to 135.05. Has pulled back about 7 ticks. A little bit of a pop back up here on NQ. Nice pullback here on Ultra Bond. I told you it was coming. And I was right about not taking that last bullish engulfing. Actually, the last two, although that other one would have been okay for 3. But that's why I was careful in those other two. Those would have worked. These last two would not have. Nice little pullback. NQ hanging right around 12,100. ES 4007 trying to pop. A little bound up on there on the altar bond. There's a bearish engulfing on NQ. We're short. There we go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. 70 is my target. Come on, 73. 72, come on, come on, come on. There, come on, one more point, one more point. There we go, target hit. There we go, that's the win I needed. Still going with that trailing. Out now. Boom! There we go. Finally, a decent win. About $155 win. So 150 after commission. And we're much more manageable there on that daily P&L. Let me just do some math. 28, 34. 178. So we're only down 178 now in the day. I say only, but after being down well over 300, that feels like a victory. Still going down. Wow, really going down. Now, the thing that sucked about taking that trade is I missed this trade on the Ultra Bond, which is also just going down 4 ticks. Nice bounce off of that the band here. I should have taken that, but it's okay. Thank you, G. So I like that. I mean, I'm still down and still obviously red on the day, but I like that look up there better than the 300 we were down. Nice job, Glitch. Yep, lunch is on Glitch, not me. You can see here real quick, let's blow up this 1 minute chart. This is exactly the type of thing I look for. Even though we're still above the 100, you see this move down. First of all, we had two bearish engulfings. This down, up, down move. So that I could have probably felt comfortable getting in here, but I didn't. But I waited for this, waiting for the pullback, and I should have just jumped in right here, but I was kind of doing the NQ trade at the same time. And you can see it's come 5 ticks so far. Our ATR is at 3, so 5 would not be a bad target, although I probably, at 3, I usually am going for double. So 6, you can see a 3 tick stop would have been above the 20. So I've been and right there at that swing high, not really a swing high, but the high of that candle. And there you go, we would have got our 6. That's exactly the type of trade I'm looking for. I'm so mad at myself for the way I've managed UB today. You can see here on this way up, I could have got there, and I could have got there, and I could have got there. These would have been 3 6-tick trades at times 3. So let's do that math. 3 contracts times 6 ticks is 18 ticks, times 3 trades is 54 ticks, times 31.25 a tick. That's $1,687, and I didn't take any of it. This one I'll chalk up to the fact that I was in the NQ trade. It's hard to I can manage 2 trades at a time, but it's hard to enter 2 at the same time. But yeah. So ES down below 4,000 now. 39.97, NQ at 12.061. So we were talking about highs of the day earlier. Now we're talking about low of the day. 39.95 half is ES's low of the day, so it's about 2 points away. NQ has made a new low a day. Its low was 12.063. It's right sitting at 12.058. It hit 12.052. So this was an absolutely beautiful bearish engulfing for me, and I took that trade down. This could have been another one. The script didn't mark it, but to me that is also, but we'll see. So far, I haven't been trying to read it myself. We'll mark it though. See if it would have went. Mark it for 60 with a 10-point stop, not 10-tick stop. 10. No, we'll do 50 ticks. Fine. And you can see, look at that moving down, continuing to move down. So this would have worked right there. Would have been another 15 points. Gosh darn it. ES down to 39.93. Yeah, Burrow, what is your stop loss on that? New low a day now, both on NQ and ES. Ultra Bond leveling out at 134.22. Let's see what everything else is doing. Whoa, copper has collapsed. We have a collapsing copper. Natural gas continuing to, I guess natural gas did not like getting down into the ones. It's now heading up nicely. Crude oil falling back down, trying to hold 75. Nice little bounce there again, up to the 20 EMA on the Ultra Bond. Yep, I went short in Q against them. Although my trades don't hit the market, so. That's a a bullish engulfing there on the 5-minute on the Ultra Bond. Interesting proposition there. We'll continue to monitor that. And then Q's trying to pop up here. Got down to 41, made a 15-point pop here. That's not the most convincing engulfing candle. And pushing back down. Golfing candle went away. Another new low a day. ES sending a bearish engulfing. Hey, JC. I'm down a little, but I'm not down as much as I was. Market's continuing to bleed. By the way, I've mentioned, obviously a few times on this channel, Greg, aka Weenie, from his channel, and he and I were talking a bit over the weekend, and he said he expected a 5% drop on QQQ over the next 2 weeks. And so far, he's looking pretty right. I don't know. I never brought up QQQ to see how much 5% was. I have no idea. I didn't ask. He has the top step. They stopped their swing trading combine or evaluation, but he was like the last one ever to get it before they stopped it, and he got funded in it. And was just talking about he just got funded, and he was talking about how he's expecting this drop, and he wanted to know the best option for the funding because they have basically where you can just go live, or you can do like a live sim for X amount of money first. So, and he said, I'm expecting a 5% drop on QQQ over the next 2 weeks. Now, since I don't do swing trading, I didn't really ask what his methodology was. Contrary to all the rumors, I am not a swinger. Nice bounce there. Both ES and NQ sent me a bullish engulfing. Now I almost never take a bullish engulfing below the 20. But that one would have been interesting. Obviously, it also would have worked. But because we had this big down wick candle first, and then that engulfing, and then it went pop by, let's see, 55 up to 67. So, and still trying to go. That definitely could have worked. ES gave us the same candle, and we're back above 4,000 on ES. NQ popped up there, and it's kind of rejecting back down. That's an interesting proposition. We are established now. We are below the 100 EMA, well below. See where it goes. Ultra bond also now dropping below its 20 on the 1 minute. Still hanging, kind of hanging. The 20 EMA on the 5 is at 134.19. Which is where the 100 is on the 1. Guess that makes sense, actually. Oh, I didn't realize my camera was on and you saw me dancing, Glitch. But thank you. Remember, folks, I am doing that fast track challenge, as you just saw Nightbot there post. Gonna be doing daily videos on that. So far, I've taken no trade on that account today. I need to take something so I have something to have a video about later. Videos go up in the evening. Last night it took YouTube 2 hours to process it. I'm not sure why. But so it normally goes up earlier. But appreciate if you keep checking out that series. It's been very successful. It's gotten the most views I've ever gotten in the first 12 hours of something being up. So, boom, 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 boom. Ultra bond still trying to bounce up. Thanks for that, G. And Q. Take these off. Up. Yeah, nice move up. Now it's kind of seeing. Okay. For those who want to check out Mr. G's channel, a lot of good information there. There we go. There's the link for it. It's called Winning Wall Street's Money. It's a nice bounce on the Ultra Bond on the 5 here, but it never really touched that 20, so it's kind of like, I didn't really, I mean, I could have possibly entered off of that, but not something I was comfortable with. Meanwhile, NQ, up, down, up. Trying to give me a bullish engulfing here. It's below the 20, but did not sustain. Yep, give him some subscribers, give him a follow, give him some views. He's a tremendous supporter of this channel, so I try to support his as well. It's kind of sideways here around 12.081. Market's lost a little oomph here as we approach 10:30 Eastern. ES right around 4004. Excuse me a second. Pushing down. Nice push down here. Beautiful. Beautiful. I was thinking about taking that second bearish engulfing there. I should have. That would have been a winner. I don't know if I would have I'm not taking. Well, it's gonna prove me wrong. I don't like taking trigger candles that are huge. So we'll see what happens to that. And I was right so far. Nope, I should have taken it. Sorry, I got distracted there for a second. So I doubted it, and I should have taken it. See it falling here quickly. Boom, that would have been a nice. Would have been within my stop. Why did I doubt it? I just big trigger candles often, and you see it did retrace. I should have been ready though once it came back down, grabbed it and entered. Ultra bond just kind of sitting there. So this one, you know, either off the bearish engulfing or the actual trigger candle itself would have worked. Great job, G. Down to 39.91 on ES, down to 12.039 on NQ. Are we going to break 12,000? These are the hard-hitting questions we ask. We have not been this low. We have not been this low since February 1st. Excuse me one second. Sorry about that. Little bounce here. You see the Ultra Bond bouncing up nicely. Now, that could have been an entry for me there on the 1 minute chart, but I wasn't paying attention. Right here, kind of floated above. It went down and got back up. So that was a miss as well. Just not fully concentrated today, I guess. I'm not sure. Fully concentrated. It sounds like a laundry detergent. I just got spammed from somebody from the Top Step Discord. Interesting. Nice pop back up there. Big candle. Ultra bond moving back up. Try to get back to high day, which was 135.05. It's one tick below. Hey, disciples, how you doing? John, yeah, I do. I mean, we've got a little bit more movement than I actually thought we were going to get. There's a new high on the Ultra bond. But yeah, I do think we're going to be choppy. I mean, the meeting minutes isn't as big as the actual meeting. And I never understood exactly why the meeting minutes caused such a big reaction because I thought when the actual meeting's done, they pretty much say everything they said in the minutes. But I don't know. But I mean, we have seen from top to bottom, we've seen a 140 point drop here on NQ. ES, we've seen a 30 point drop. How's it going, Disciples Garage? There's a bearish engulfing forming on NQ. Taking the short. Bouncy here. Back above. Ah. Yeah, that's not looking good. I know the feeling. Bouncy here at 12.050, trying to get below. Target is 12.32. I'm in at 12.047. Target might be a little bit too low because it would be a new low a day. I think. Maybe not. But I'll watch, see if it breaks down for me. I can get out at, a little early if I feel I need to. There's 41 on the bid. Come on, give me 40. Come on, give me 40. I want to hear 40. No, 43. 42. Nope. Struggling. There we go. There's a push. 39. I see 39. I see 40. Come on. Bounce it back up. Back up to my entry. This is a big bounce. Darn it. See if it pushes back down. Looks like the sellers don't want to come in here now. Come on, push it back down. I would have to check on that, JC. I'm not sure. I'm about to take full stop. Darn it! I was in profit there, and took full stop. That sucked. Good question. Oh yeah. Bullock's policy updates. We significantly updated our policy by more reduce the qualifying. Bullock has reduced the qualifying period for the master account from 10 to just 5 trading days. We extended our trading hours to allow more flexibility. You can trade up to 3:59 p.m. Central Time. We understand the speedy payouts are essential, so we have streamlined our payout process to allow for faster and more convenient withdrawals. Once you have completed just 10 individual trading days, you can request a payout at any time, and all payouts will be processed once a week, every Wednesday. Last but not least, we are thrilled to offer a simplified commission structure that rewards you for your success. You can now withdraw the first 10,000 of your profits without any split. They shouldn't use commission. They should use split. That's confusing. After that, you receive 90% of all profits. Yeah. 90%. Interesting. Ox trying to take on Apex and Elite Trader Funding. We'll have to do a video about that. So, hold on. I got to update my P&L from that last trade. And we're back down to being down over 300. Darn it. So I should have took the quick win there, and it got within like 3 points of my target and totally went again. No, I guess I didn't because my stop would have moved to break even. Got within like 6 points of my target. Meanwhile, Ultra Bond continues to try and rise up here. We have about 15 minutes left, so it looks like there's going to be a big red day. But tomorrow's another day. Now, moving back up. Got down to 38. My target was 32, so I got within 6 points. And then whipped up and took me out. Back up to 79. Nice glitch. Let's take a look at our everything. So you can see how much the Ultra Bond rose up. Came down, clipped up, boom. Gold. Did make a new day low. Now it's a little below mid-range. Copper. Heading down towards its daily low. Crude oil made a new low, broke below 75. And last but not least, natural gas hated being below 2, but blew up to 2.2. Nice recovery. Bitcoin below 24. Nice to hear that laughter. Yeah, Ultravon, I don't know, I just blew it today. I'm gonna see what I can get after stream. The NQ pulled back a little bit, big wick down, trying to push back up. ES back up, trying to get back above 4,000. About 10 minutes to go on the stream.
Yep, I agree, Lafta. I plan on being flat for it, but we'll see how the trades afterwards. Just trying to move up. Back up, back up. So I guess this reversal started right around 10:30. So this was like a classic 10:30 reversal type move. Remember to watch for my video later today on whatever I end up doing on the fast track. If you haven't watched the video from yesterday, you should do that. Sidewaysness here. Shall be right back. Little pullback here on the Ultra Bond. Ultra Bond's had a nice move today. Lafta, how big of a win did you get on the Ultra Bond today? If you don't want to share, you don't have to. That's obviously a personal question. I'm not sure. It looks like I'm not going to get any other trades today. Nice job, Lefty. Remember, don't ever feel obligated to answer questions like that if you're not comfortable with it. I'm just a nosy sort. Oh, big burst there on the NQ. Let me look at that on a different chart here. See, I mean, it gave us a bullish engulfing there. Didn't really trust it, but it would have worked. 83 up to 89 and now up to 98. So, again, the engulfing candles work. I just need to take them. ES also pushing up. Ultra Bond pulling back just a tad. So if you enjoyed today's stream, not a broadcast, it's a stream. Hope you, if you haven't hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm, appreciate it if you would. Last calls, we're about 5 minutes away from the end of the stream. Not a successful stream today by any means, but we'll get it back. And NQ continuing to move up, back above 12,100. ES backed up to 4,007. Burl, if he was still in that trade, he might be getting back to his entry point here. Great reversal. All right. See if it gets up there. It's a nice climb. Dream on dreaming. Sitting here a little above 12,100. guys, I think that's where we're going to call it today. Obviously, not a good day. 2 wins, I think 6 losses. I think I forgot to update that last. Thing is, though, I mean, the losses, the overall down 312 is not horrible for the winning percentage and the amount of trades I took. So I'm still managing the amount, the well. I can recover that tomorrow. It's a red day, but that's okay. No trades yet on the fast track. Watch for that video later. Tell you if we were able to get back on the lead lap, if we find a trade. So anyway, I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll talk to you tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. Remember, be careful if you trade in the afternoon at that FOMC meeting minutes. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. You're very welcome. Thank you for being here. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.